Okay, so
go back to makeup or what?
so we're motoring along here at mid-morning.
Motor along, it's 0800 or 0810, 8:10 in the morning, 8:10 a.m.
So when you say 0800, he's talking in 24-hour time clock.
24-hour clock.
Where the first 12 hours are from 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's a 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. You get to 12, it's a 1, 2. And then we go 13, 14, 15, right on up to 24. So it's a little different than what most people use in their day-to-day. But it's easier for us to keep track on a boat so we don't know if somebody says, well, at 8 o'clock, well, you don't know if it's 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. It's either 8 o'clock or 20 o'clock.
So, we've been sailing about approximately northwest westerly course of the Baja Peninsula, and as I said, we've come, what was it, from Cabo to
140 miles, was it?
the start of the track. What did I say?
140 nautical miles.
Yeah, 140 nautical miles.
See, I was
We're
paying
approaching-
attention earlier.
You were paying attention, good man. We're approaching Magdalena Bay, which is another point sticking out into the water. So the wind tends to bend around it. So as long as we were behind the point, we had sheltered water, nice and flat. Now we're coming around the point, where before it was not. As we come around this point, beautiful church up there. We got a view, zoom in on that. Looks like a church.
Lighthouse.
Or
Yeah, lighthouse.
lighthouse either.
We actually, it's kind of interesting comparison there, Tim, because to us mariners, the lighthouses are places that we make note of and we navigate to and from, which is not unlike most communities where there's a church or something like that that is a central focus of some of the communities. So in some ways it's an interesting comparison.
I thought I saw the light farther back on the other side, but it wasn't.
It might be.
So anyway, as we come around this point, we'll be going back, bending back, if we want, into the next bay, which would actually be a little bit longer, taking a curve around the bay, but it would be smoother water a little bit further. As opposed to a straight line, we'd be going around the edge of a circle, if you will. However, that would give us a chance to put up the sails and get some drive for the sails. So it might be more economical, even though going around a curve is a longer distance than taking a straight line. But straight line, we're straight into the wind and we're straight into these big swells, a lot of pounding. So that will be the point of the next discussion. I vote that we take the curve and put the sail on.
Well, before we get to the next point of discussion, one of the reasons we can't sail right now is the wind is blowing right at the boat.